What have I done?
Who are you?
What is my offense?
I said, who are you?
My name is Erima.
From where?
I'm from Ubukwe community.
Who are your parents?
Mr. and Mrs. Maduka.
From Igbo.
Yes, sir.
She looks exactly like our eye of the God.
Yes, yes, exactly, no different.
God, take her to the shrine for the sacrifice.
In my reign! No! What are you doing here?
There is trouble ahead of you, but I've come to tell you to be strong. I will always be with you.
Papi Dama! Where are you? Come back! Where are you? Come back! Come back! Where are you? Where are you? Where are you? My elders, I am the eyes of the gods. I communicate with them. I understand them. The ways of the gods are different from the ways of men. Please, I beg you, spare my twin sister's life. She's the only one I have. I promise to bring another sacrificial lamb immediately.
Ideyima, the eyes of the gods. You and I know that what you are asking for is a difficult task. Let me remind you, maybe you have forgotten. A chosen one is a chosen one. Hence, brought to the shrine of Ozala community. It can never go on sacrifice. It can never go on sacrifice, and you know that. So why begging us now?
That is why I said, the ways of the gods are different from the ways of men. I understand the gods. I communicate with them. I speak their languages, so I can handle them.
Ideima, you are far away from what Onowu is saying. This is our tradition. No any sacrificial lamb that comes here without being sacrificed. And you know it. Not the other way around.
No, I will not sacrifice her.
Then the king will hear this.
Tell the king that I said I will not sacrifice my twin sister.
Don't worry. We'll deliver your message to the king.
Please, my sister, don't kill me. I beg you, don't kill me. Igwe Odinga, may your days be long.
Eyes of the gods, what is delaying our annual sacrifice?
My king, the girl in question is my twin sister.
That's an abomination because twins are not allowed in this community.
That was why my parents took her away after birth.
God!
Yes, Your Highness.
Someone has run Oka at once.
My king, may I make an appeal for clemency on behalf of my mother and late father?
May your days be long, my king. Ndichi, I greet you all.
Azanuka, I want you to tell me the truth. Nothing but the truth. Is Eyes of the Gods a twin?
Yes, my king. She is a twin.
What happened when they were born?
After I gave birth to them, my husband and I were afraid of the tradition of Ozara community that forbids twins. We thought that the tradition might affect us too. We decided to take one out of the community in secret.
Are you aware of everything your mother just said?
Yes, I'm aware. But not quite long she told me about it.
Like how long ago?
About 90 days now. I started having this strange nightmare. And I was wondering why the gods have been silent all this while. Then I journeyed to Isiake, where I was told I have a twin sister.
So why didn't you tell me?
My king, our visibility to the god of Ozala community was as a result of the sacrifice I've been performing on our head for these 90 days.
Why are you deviating from the point?
I wanted to be sure before I let the cat out of the bag.
This is my judgment. Either you or your sister will be sacrificed to the gods. Yes. Both of you have till evening to decide who dies. As for you as well, Noka, you are hereby excommunicated from the activities of this land for 7 years. This is my judgment.
Please, please don't kill me. It is not in your power, neither mine, to save you. But have it in mind that the ways of the gods are different from the ways of men. You look like me. Are we related? Yes, you are my twin sister. How? From birth? I've been alone. I grew up with my parents, so I'm not a twin. Those people you called your parents are not your real parents. We are both born in Ozala community the same day. And because of the tradition of this community, our parents separated us secretly. So the people I'm living with are not my parents? Yes, my parents are your parents, but our father is no more. Okay, so where is our mother? Our mother was excommunicated from this kingdom a few minutes ago. Why? Why was she excommunicated from Ozala community? Because of you and I. One of us was supposed to be sacrificed after our death, but you were sneaked away. They intentionally did not want one of us to be killed. What's your name? My name is Erima. Erima. The ways of the gods are not the ways of men. Can I see the woman you called our mother? No, you can't. She's forbidden to see anyone in this community from now. Sweeney, please stop crying. I will do anything within my power to save you. I will forever remain indebted to you if you save me. I promise, nothing will happen to you. I love you. I love you too. Twinnie, please don't kill me. Let me run away to another community where no one can find me. You can't run away. You're already trapped here. Please, I beg you, don't kill me. Just look at me as your sister. The only sister you have. There's a blood is thicker than water, so please don't kill me, please. The decision is not in my hands to make. The gods are wise. The gods are not wise. So please stop telling me those ancient words. Please don't kill me. I'm begging you. Spare my life.
My daughter has been sacrificed. I couldn't have a sight of her. I couldn't. I couldn't. I couldn't have a sight of her. I couldn't. I couldn't. I couldn't. This is so painful.
My spirit is restless. My spirit is roaming around this community. Please, you have to help me. How can I help you? Let me enter your body so I can rest. Get into my body and rest? How? Let me enter your body for a while so I can rest. Please, my blood, don't say no. Please.
greatest priestess of our Manatons, eyes of the gods, the glorious and beautiful priestess of our land. Omarichawan.
My king, may I proceed with the consultation I was called for?
Before then, I would like to have a word with you. Please sit.
Thank you, my king.
My elders, please excuse me. Elders in council, I need space, so excuse me, okay?
My king.
Obey before complain. Eyes of the gods, the great priestess of our time, the most beautiful priestess in our community. Once again, you're welcome.
My king, what do you want from me?
You have stolen the king's heart. Yes.
My king, what do you want from me?
Meet me in my chambers.
Am I really... Is the goddess of Uzala community really...
Eyes of the gods. The only woman that makes the heart of a king melt. My beautiful queen, why is your face like this?
My king, that is not why I am here.
Say whatever you want, and I will give it to you here and now.
The goddess of Uzala community is pregnant for the king.
My elders, I called you people here because I want to say something important. Meanwhile, where is the other elder?
He's on his way.
I want to remarry. Simple.
But the gods was our coming to be praised. In fact, we are solidly behind you as you make your choice of wife. As a matter of fact, we are happy for you because it has always been our wish that you get yourself another wife ever since the death of your late wife.
May the gods be praised.
See,
I've seen whom I want to marry.
that's interesting.
Omaka. No other than the eyes of the gods. Yes. She's my choice, and I want to get married to her.
My king, we are short of words. Because you know that Ideyimma is a servant of the gods and also married to the gods. She cannot marry to any woman. My king, you should know that. And you know that already.
A human being cannot be married to the gods. Those are mere fabrications. Yeah, it's not possible. Secondly, she is just a servant of the gods. She's single as any other maiden in this land. So what I'm saying, she's my choice, and that's on period. And don't forget, I am not just any man. I am the ruler of this kingdom. I am the custodian of culture. I am not just any man. Whatever I want, whatever pleases me, I do, not the other way around. So eyes of the gods is my choice, and she will become my next wife. And that's some period. I didn't call you here for us to argue. I call you because I've been needing your support.
It's okay, Your Majesty, as it pleases you.
Greetings, elders of Ozala community.
Greetings, the eyes of the gods of Ozala community.
What do I owe this unexpected visit?
Eyes of the gods. Few hours ago, we had a meeting with the king. And he made it clear that he wants to remarry.
He told you I'm the chosen one?
Yes. As a matter of fact, that is why we're here. But from what you just said, that means you are already aware.
Yes, I'm aware. And I'm ready to marry the king. Are you surprised?
Yes. We're totally surprised. Because you are the eye of the gods of Ozala community. You are married to the gods and you know it.
No! I am not married to the gods. I am only a servant of the gods. I am entitled to my own feelings.
Eyes of the gods. No one is disputing that you are not the servant of the gods. But traditionally, what is about to happen in this kingdom had never happened before.
There is always a first time. Let it be in the Guinness Book of Record that Ideyimma is the first servant of the gods to get married in Ozala community.
How does it sound?
Ichiobosi, what really matters at times isn't how it sounds to the people around you, but how well it sounds to you, the subject. Let me tell you something. When the gods chose me to serve her, irrespective of the fact that I'm my parents' only child, what did the people around me do? Nothing. My mother has been alone all these years. Recently, my lost twin sister was found and chosen for Ozala annual sacrifice. What did the people around me do? Nothing. Now the king has chosen me to be his wife. And the people around me wants to remind me how bad it sounds. But I say no! It sounds well to me. And me first should be considered before another person.
Eyes of the gods.
I am already pregnant for the king.
Yes, she told you the truth. She's carrying my son, the heir to the throne of Ozala Kingdom. Very soon I will proceed with her marriage rites.
My king, Remember, in the history of Ozala community, the eyes of the gods have never married to any human.
Okay, let it be on record that I, Ibu Odinga, Nkizizi, the king of Ozala Kingdom, is the first person to get married to the eyes of the gods. Simple. Why is it sounding strange to you? It's no big deal.
My king, it's because our forefathers did not do it. And it's an abomination in our kingdom.
That our forefathers did not do it doesn't mean it's an abomination, okay?
Well, you are the supreme leader of this great kingdom. Your words is final.
Listen, you have nothing to worry about. And trust me, it's not an abomination, okay? The rules were crafted out by people. Even if it is an abomination, we can amend all that, okay? I'm the supreme ruler of this kingdom, so I can use my power to amend whatever I choose to. She's my wife, and that's all fine.
You have the final say.
Tell the town crier to cry around the community, telling everybody that Azwanuka's ban has been lifted.
Our king have lifted the ban on Azwanuka. Our king has lifted the ban on Azwanuka.
The king demands your presence at once.
Tell him that I will join him.
Every time you are good, I will not give you food to learn advance. Did you follow that one? But this one is too sweet. Why you used to give us first?
Did I touch you? Will I be backing like dog?
After you people just finish this food now, you don't know what to do again. No. Let's finish this food.
If I get this was almost finished.
Let's finish and go back to our duty.
Because you know when I'm trying, you don't like me to. Give me now.
This will not reach me. Stop talking now. I'm eating this food.
Give me a Mr. Give you rice.
Me, I'm not this food.
Give me Mr. Give you rice.
Alright. Very
give me, let me give you more. I don't want to. Let me give you
I don't want to. Stop looking at me.
My queen. Your sister was here.
What?
Yes.
My sister?
I saw her here. She was lying down here.
How is that possible?
As I was trying to wake you up, she disappeared.
She was lying here?
Yes.
I'm waiting. What did you tell me?
What is it? Uju, I'm talking to you. What is it? Why are you staring at me like that? Can't you talk?
Good morning, my queen. Excuse me. Sorry. No, my queen. I came out this morning. I saw you here. I greeted you then. I walked in to clean. I just saw you coming down the staircase. And I ran out again. I saw you standing here. But now you're no longer here.
You saw me standing here?
I saw you here. Here.
Okay, just go back to what you were doing.
Okay, my queen. Okay, my queen. Okay, my queen.
I've been searching for you. I am here. What happened? Something like what? My husband said he saw you lying on the bed. And when I came downstairs, the maid told me that she saw you standing outside, thinking it was me. Ideima, start addressing the king as our husband. He's not your husband alone. What do you mean by I should start addressing the king as our husband? The king cannot get married to you, and you know it. He can. And that is exactly what will happen. Erima, what do you really want? I want to get married like you did. Is that your strategy? Is that why you made that request? Oh, please. Do not make your selfishness too obvious. Do not rub it on my face. I am not. I'm only trying to let you know that what you ask is not possible. Watch me do it. And please, do not stand on my way. Really?
My king, is there a man need to consult the gods to ascertain what just happened? Because it's a battle, man.
She has done that already. But the gods are mute on us. The gods are not saying anything.
God needs to say something before something bad happens to us.
What do you suggest?
My king, I suggest either you might consult the gods again for me to know what just happened.
God.
Yes, my king.
Someone the queen at once.
Yes, my king.
sure about what you just said?
Hey, why would I be joking with such a thing? Like, why should I joke with such a thing? Or will I be talking such talks about the Queen Mother? I know what I saw. I know what I told you guys.
Are you sure about what you just said?
Hey, will I be joking with such an expensive joke? Why would I even lie with the name of the Queen Mother in the first place? I know what I saw. And I mean every word that I said here.
Uju,
yes.
If what you just said is true, I'm beginning to be scared though.
I'm telling
you. Whatever the case may be, we are employed here to safeguard the palace. So whatever it is, we chest it out. Oh, bro.
Oh, yeah. Maybe when you reach ghost, maybe when you reach ghost, now them go run past.
I know what I saw. I know what I saw. And I know what I'm telling people here.
I'm really scared.
Why are you staring at me like that?
I want to make love to you. That is why I am staring at you.
That's it?
Yes.
Remove your crown.
Oh. Okay.
Come here.
My queen, you did this from the depth of your heart. I've never felt like this before.
Things of the spirit are different from things of human.
Excuse me? What do you mean?
I was in the spirit. That was why you felt like that.
Okay.
Do you like it?
Like is an understatement. I enjoyed it.
Okay. I'll be back.
Alright.
Greetings, my king.
Why are you greeting me as if we just met? Come to the bed. Let's continue from where we stopped.
What do you mean by come to the bed? To continue where we stop? You and who? My king, I'm just coming back.
Stop now. Is this some kind of joke or what? We just finished making love. You said you were coming.
We just finished making love?
Yes.
That's not possible. Because I've not been at home all day.
Excuse me?
Yes, I'm just coming back.
Are you serious about this?
Of course I'm serious.
Like you're just coming back?
Yes, I'm just coming back. You slept with my husband. Our husband. Will you shut up your mouth? How could you? I can see jealousy written all over you. Ideima, have you forgotten the promise we made to each other before coming into this world? We promised to stand by each other no matter what. Have you forgotten? So why are you trying to separate yourself from the bond that binds us together? That bond that binds us together was broken the moment you were sacrificed to the gods of Ozala community. I know. That was why I pleaded with you to gain access to your body. You tricked me. Come off it. Erima, I'm sorry you were the chosen one. But you need to understand that I tried my best to change the ways of the gods. Your best wasn't good enough. You had all the time to change the ways of the gods. But what did you do? You played deaf ears to my pleading. That was why I pleaded with you, so I can gain access to your body. Ideima, I am living in you. I love you, Erima. Even though fate was against us. Fate wasn't against us. You were against me. Yes, I did. She was the one you slept with.
Hello. Igwe malo. Igwe odinge malo. So I had an intercourse with a spirit. Hey. What are we supposed to do now?
I will consult the gods.
The gods that are silent?
I pray they listen to me.
Igwe, what happened? What happened in our community now is abomination, Igwe.
What?
Igwe. A palm tree fell on top of my father on his way going to the farm. Igwe, right now my father is dead. Igwe, Igwe. Igwe.
What's going on? Something is definitely wrong somewhere. And your father was nice and upright. He was an honest man. Why here? Don't worry, I will send you a note to visit your family.
Okay, Igwe.
Warned you to stop appearing up and down. Leave this kingdom and return no more.
I brought a mind-blowing news that might interest you.
I am not interested in whatever news you brought. Light and darkness have nothing in common.
Your seed dwells in me.
I forbid you from saying such nonsense. You can't have my seed. The living and the dead have nothing in common.
You cannot run away from your shadow. Make hay while the sun shines.
I rebuke you. Leave!
The people of Azala will have no peace until you do the needful.
I said leave!
Uche wa wa kwa. Uche wa wa re. Uche. Uche wa re shu. Uche wa wa kwa. Uche wa wa kwa. Uche wa wa ike. Uche. Uche wa re shu. Uche wa wa kwa. Uche wa wa kwa. Uche wa wa re. Uche. No. No! Oh no! What happened to you? No! What happened to the unknown work was in the community? No! Iche! He cannot marry you. You are dead. Then get ready to witness more doom in Ozala land. Herima, why are you tormenting us? Why are you tormenting the people of Ozala community? Why? The people of Ozala will have no peace until my spirit is at peace. What can we do for your spirit to be at peace? Let the king marry me. After all, its seeds dwell in me. How does that sound to you? A strong king getting married to a ghost? It sounds well, just like every other thing. What led to the marriage shouldn't be the people's concern. You deceived him. You tricked him into making love to you. It was committed already. What he did was tradition that was already in existence even before the king was born. He has from now to the next Eke market day to get married to me traditionally. Else, there will be more doom in Ozala land. Do not say I did not warn you. How is this possible? How can he marry someone that is already dead? Igwe Odinga won of Ozala community. He will never agree. Instead, he will say, let the calamity continues.
How did it go?
She said you must get married to her. And it has to be before the next Eke market day.
That's impossible. I can't get married to a ghost.
My king.
I can't marry a ghost. Simple.
Calamity upon calamity will befall Ozala kingdom if the marriage is not properly done in Ugwoba.
Let calamity upon calamity befall this kingdom. Yes. I will never get married to a ghost. That's impossible. Are you not seeing this thing for what it is?
I say it the way you say it, my king, but it's very unfortunate.
Well, it's very, very unfortunate because I will not marry a ghost. That's a period. This meeting is over.
I the only one seeing her? Or does it mean I'm seeing a ghost? Gods of our land, I don't like this. I don't like this at all.
Who was this bag?
It's my sister's bag.
You mean she brought them while we were out or what?
Yes, when we were eating, she brought them in.
It's obvious you people are playing games with me.
Tell him not to touch my bag. No. Don't touch the bag.
Why?
Nothing. Don't just touch the bag.
Tell me why I shouldn't touch the bag.
My king, I'm more spiritual than you are, so please don't touch the bag.
What is going on here?
I said tell him not to touch my bag. She doesn't want you to touch her bag.
Where is she? And why is she hiding? I thought she's woman enough. Let her come out now.
I said tell him not to touch my bag. She doesn't want you to touch her bag. She doesn't want you to touch her bag. You see why she doesn't want you to touch her bag? Erima, what are you doing here? I thought after the marriage I will not see you again. You thought you will not see me again after the marriage? Why? Why will you have such thoughts in your mind? You know what? I am sick and tired of this your corny attitude. Today you want this, tomorrow you want that, next month you want this. What is your problem? Leave this room. Erima, I said leave this room! Please. Newly married couple are supposed to be on bed, talking romantically, whispering and probably making love. That is what I want to do with my husband. May Amadioha strike you dead the second time. Hold it right there. You need to stay on your lane. We are co-wives now, and that is why we are wearing the same uniform. So mind your business. Erima, is this a joke or something? Whatever. You told him I would leave, right? Yes, I did. And I want you to leave. What amazes me is what gives you the guts to talk on my behalf. We're married to the same man and you expect me to leave him for you? Erima, this is totally different from what you promised me. I did not promise you anything. Does spirit lie? You are the one that is lying. You assured me, you promised me that I'm not going to be killed. But what did you do? You tricked me. You lied to me. Please don't kill me. It is not in your power, neither mine, to save you. But have it in mind that the ways of the gods are different from the ways of men. You look like me. Are we related? Yes, you are my twin sister. How? From birth? I've been alone. I grew up with my parents, so I'm not a twin. Those people you called your parents are not your real parents. We are both born in Ozala community the same day. And because of the tradition of this community, our parents separated us secretly. So the people I'm living with are not my parents? Yes, my parents are your parents, but our father is no more. Okay, so where is our mother? Our mother was excommunicated from this kingdom a few minutes ago. Why? Why was she excommunicated from Ozala community? Because of you and I. One of us was supposed to be sacrificed after our death, but you were sneaked away. They intentionally did not want one of us to be killed. What's your name? My name is Erima. Erima. The ways of the gods are not the ways of men. Can I see the woman you called our mother? No, you can't. She's forbidden to see anyone in this community from now. Sweeney, please stop crying. I will do anything within my power to save you. I will forever remain indebted to you if you save me. I promise, nothing will happen to you. I love you. I love you too. So you played a fast one on me, and now you're rubbing it on my face? That was when I thought I could save you. But then the music changed. My hands were tied. There was nothing I could do. I understand the gods. I communicate with them. I speak their languages, so I can handle them.
Ideima, you are far away from what Onowu is saying. This is our tradition. No any sacrificial lamb that comes here without being sacrificed. And you know it. Not the other way around.
No, I will not sacrifice her.
Then the king will hear this.
Tell the king that I said I will not sacrifice my twin sister.
Don't worry. We'll deliver your message to the king.
Please, my sister, don't kill me. I beg you, don't kill me. I made it clear to you then, but I'm surprised you're turning it against me now. You chose tradition over me. You chose tradition over your blood. You chose tradition over your twin sister. Since you say tradition cannot be amended, let me ask you a question. Our mother was banned because of what she did. Was that tradition or not? And later on the king lifted up the ban. Was the tradition amended or not? Let me remind you again. The goddess of Ozala kingdom is not supposed to get married. But here you are. You are married. So I ask you, my dear sister, was tradition amended or not? I never wanted to get married to the king. You did. Okay, it's all right. But please, stay off my path. And if I don't, you will regret being my twin sister.
What do you say that happened in this palace?
My sister, it started from the dining room. As soon as I'm done serving the king and the wives, I left to the kitchen. Before it, I started hearing strange sound like show yourself, show yourself. Monica, if I say that thing where you talk not true, I think the girl is really disturbing the king.
You see it? No, you are seeing what you've seen it now that I was never lying. I'm so glad that you people are beginning to see what I've been saying. I'm very happy.
It's time they start taking corrections now, as soon as possible. Let them forget all this our forefathers' tradition.
Exactly. Exactly. You can imagine how many souls that has been sacrificed in Ozala kingdom every year.
Uncountable. Uncountable. But I just hope they change the tradition.
Exactly.
See, but to be very honest, it's better for them to use animal instead of human being. Because me, I am out. I am already scared in this palace.
That is if they have not used any of us here before the animals.
Don't do that.
Oh yes. No, don't do that. It could be you too, or you.
Stop pointing at me. Me that have given you house. Who will then be talking them?
You are the chief mate. You should be
there.
My king, what are you staring at?
Didn't you see her?
See who? I didn't see anybody.
Erima just walked past now.
I didn't see her.
You mean you didn't see her?
No.
Excuse me. She is nowhere to be found.
Greetings, my king. Greetings, my elder.
Welcome.
Eyes of the gods.
My king.
I saw her.
So who?
Erima. She walked past here. But when I went inside, she was nowhere to be found. This is getting out of hand. Eyes of the gods. I want you to go to Amanata and fetch me water from Amanata River for cleansing. You and my elders.
Amanata River?
Yes.
My king, no one goes to Amanata River and come back without human sacrifice.
I will fix that. I've seen her. Don't worry.
Oh, it's okay.
You people will go tomorrow, which is a Eke market day.
Ozo, see me in my chambers.
After everything I told you, you still came and lay on this bed?
Our husband's bed.
I give you 20 seconds to leave this room.
Who gave you the guts? You think you can order me around like you used to?
I will not warn you again. Leave this room!
You were sent to Amanata River, right? The king has just signed your death warrant. You will go, but you will not return.
Try me on the way. And I will kill you the second time.
What are you saying? What happened?
My king, Ozala community is in trouble. Big trouble. That girl has no good intention towards us. In fact, we narrowly escaped. Look at my body. Ichi Obosi, they come. Hey, Mbananu. Hey.
What of Eyes of the Gods?
They're there. In fact, onye ona azabara onwe, onye ona abuzo. Even Chief Hanke, onye ona abasasire. Me.
I will continue to fight you until I kill you like you killed me. There is no hiding place for the wicked.
The living and the dead have nothing in common. Every man, I will kill you the second time. No matter how high the eagle flies, people underneath can see its belly. Show yourself! Why are you running, Arima? Come back here! Come back! Come back Let me show you what I can do to you. I am Ideima, the eyes of the gods. I am untouchable. Nothing can harm me. Why are you lying on the bed? I want the king now, so leave. That's not possible. The king is human. If I cannot have him, no one else will. He is my husband. His seed dwells in me. The heir apparent to the throne. I am the only one carrying the heir apparent to the throne. And the earlier you realize that, the better for you, Erima. Then I will make this palace a living hell for all of you. Erima, what else do you want for your spirit to be at rest? My spirit cannot be at rest until I complete my mission. And what is your mission? To have the king by my side. I forbid you for saying that. Then wait and see.
There is trouble in the palace, so
Very big trouble. Serious trouble.
What is our fate?
Our fate. My dear, our fate is our fate. We just have to be vigilant. If it gets worse than this, we run.
It has totally gone wrong already. Wrong! The two sisters are fighting. And they say, when two elephants fight, the grasses suffer. And we are the grasses. Are you not seeing it?
It's true. But wait, though, what do we even do now? Do we run or just reason amicably? Because
my dear, it's not me. I don't have the time and the patience to resign amicably. If it gets worse than this, overall Sombawa, if na fly, I fly. If na disappear, I disappear. I will leave this palace for them.
Mom, better.
Very honest.
I support you in this. I support you totally. Well, let's be watchful. If it goes rough than this, also we run.
this is really serious. Now the question is, what does she even want?
Revenge. I sense revenge in this.
Revenge?
Of course. What else? And I believe she's not going to stop until she is satisfied.
And her own satisfaction is by killing all of us in this kingdom. The king and her own sister.
That's the way.
There's big trouble in the
All I
palace.
know is that if it gets worse than this, if people want to stay, stay. I will disappear. I am not staying here.
Gods of our land. What is happening?
We're in trouble.
Please save us.
I've come to tell you what we agree with the king. That you have to seek for spiritual help to fight your sister, your twin sister. Because we discovered that you can't fight this alone. So that's why we come.
My elders, your meeting with the king went well. And I can assure you that I'm working towards it.
No.
Yeah, that's good to hear. And we want to assure you that you have our full support to any level you want to attend to. On the condition that you send back your twin sister to the land of the dead.
Where she came from.
Like I said, I am working towards it.
It's alright.
Please forgive my manners. I forgot to offer you cola nuts.
Oh, what the man? Oh yeah.
Hey.
Oju.
Hey. God of our land. Here we tell Oji, we tell Andu. But we eat it and live long.
You see?
Yeah. Okay. Oh, when I thought.
She dealt with us in this land. Send her back to where she came from. Yes.
Is it not late to cry when the head is already off? You killed them! Yes, I did. And you are next to die. Oh, Erima! I will crush you! I will crush you with my bare hands! Very well then. The battle line has been drawn. Let's see who will win. Where are you? Erima, show yourself! Show yourself, Erima! Show yourself!
What is it again?
My king, your elders. Your elders, my king.
What about my
Your elders. I saw them now. They came in as ghosts.
Excuse me?
Yes, my king. Ghosts.
They came in as ghosts.
Yes, my king. Yes, my king.
Are you sure of what you're saying?
I swear.
Which of my elders did you see? Which of them? Which of them?
My king, I saw Chebelong and Ichobosi. I saw their ghosts now like this. I saw it. They came into this palace. My king, your elders are dead.
Are you sure you were not hallucinating?
I swear what I saw. They are dead. They are dead.
When a river flows backward, it is said to be that abomination has taken over the land. I went to Ikwikolo. On my way back, I had a sign of a bad omen. When I rushed back to the shrine, I found out that a Rima has killed 2 elders, Ichiobosi and Belong.
It's true, they are dead.
Rima, the battle has just begun. You have touched the tail of a tigress, and I will fight you with every drop of my blood. My king, as for the 2 elders, they shouldn't be buried until after 7 days ritual. Else, more people will die in Amanata or Zala.
I don't want to die, please.
I am becoming a shadow of myself in Ozala community because of you and your late twin sister. Why is it so? Why are you fighting the dead? Why are you creating unnecessary harm to yourself? If the king compels you to do something you know that will harm you, why can't you say no to that? Everywhere I go, people talk about it and they point at me.
Mama, I am the queen of Ozala community. The gods chose my twin sister, not me.
No, Mama, don't. It's me, Erima. Erima? Is this you? See how pretty you are. You are beautiful. May the gods of Ozala community bless the day I set my eyes on you again.
I am glad. I am so glad I can see the woman that carried me 9 months. Your pleasantries are not necessary. Say what brought you here and leave. Mama, did you hear her? Did you hear the statement she just made? I begged her. I pleaded with her to show me the woman that carried me 9 months, so that at least I can touch you before I die. But she refused. It's a pity, Mama. It's a pity that you cannot touch me. I am sorry, but I will not spare her. I will kill her the way she killed me!
I am sorry, my daughter, please. I am sorry that I took you away after birth. It is not intentional. I am sorry. I didn't want to sacrifice you to the gods then.
Did you hear her? Did you hear what our mother just said? She did not want to sacrifice me to the gods, so she sneaked me out of Ozala land. And you? What did you do? You raised your knife, stared at me. The thought of sisterhood could not cross your mind. The thought of twin bond could not cross your mind. They say blood is thicker than water, but my blood was lighter than water before you. That was why you cut off my head. It wasn't my fault. I am just a servant of the gods. I tried to save you, but the gods warned me. Mama, it wasn't my fault. It was your fault! It was your fault! Pregnancy to hold the king? Or have you forgotten that he's the king? Even if you're pregnant, it does not guarantee you anything. Are you jealous of me? He is the king. He can do whatever he likes. I am a Rima. I do whatever I like. I can see you're pregnant. I can take it away. You cannot do anything. This child is the heir apparent to the throne of Ozala community. He is a destiny child. He is protected. Let me see how you will get to my baby. Why? Erima, why did you do this to me? I told you. Why, Erima? Erima, you killed my unborn child. Why? Yes. You are next to die. But tell Igwe Odinga that he will be the last to die in this palace. He will suffer. He will ask for help, but there will no one to help him. My blood will torment him until the day I am ready to take him back to the land of the dead. Erima, for this act of wickedness, I will fight you. Oh, I will fight you with the last drop of my blood. Even if it warrants giving my life in the process, I will fight you and I will kill you the second time! I am waiting patiently for that day to come. But for now, I have your unborn child with me. Igwe! Igwe! Igwe!
Erima, my daughter, I am calling upon your name. In Igbo land, Nzu represents peace. I am calling your name so that peace will reign. Your sister did not make a mistake. It is tradition that she cannot escape. Please forgive her so that peace will reign. Let peace reign.
In you I take refuge. What is the reason of this act? Iminyakpa na se. Iminyakpa na se.
A frog does not run in the daytime for nothing. It's either something is after it or it's after something. Speak. Tell me the reason you block my path and obstruct my journey.
The land of Ozala is full of blood. They have started paying for their crimes. And they will continue to pay until no soul is left. It is already written in the land of the dead. So leave and let them pay for their evil acts.
You lied! I am Ugoloma, the strongest goddess of Udumora kingdom. I fear no evil, for when I embark in a journey, I don't go backward. So leave my path. Let me answer my call.
I will not. I will not let you step your foot in Ozala land. So it is either you live peacefully or I send you back by force.
You want to tell me? You want to tell me? Let me remind you, I'm the only goddess who have went to the evil forest, slept with 121 spirits without losing her virginity. So I warn you, leave my path now or you regret obstructing it.
The gentle stride of a lioness cannot be taken for granted.
So leave my path now!
What bothers you, my queen? Since you came back, you've been like this.
The priestess of Idumora is dead.
The one you told me you summoned?
Yes, Erima killed her in the bush by the wind.
This is getting out of hand and taking another direction entirely.
I am ready to take the bull by the horn. I will do whatever it takes to defeat Erima.
Don't say that.
Even if it warrants my life.
Don't say that, honey. Okay? Trust me, we will solve this problem and it won't take your life. Stay positive, okay?
I'll be back.
Where are you heading?
I'm going to the shrine. I might not return today.
Careful.
Spirit of the revenge, it's proud to revenge. So much hate in her eyes. The only thing it wants is to revenge. Gidigi gadaga, obodo na bayara yara. Who offended the spirit of revenge?
How dare you?
So it's you?
Yes, it's me. And today marks your end. Oh! She protected you before she left. Very well then. We shall meet again.
I am Igbo Dinga. Afamana Ozala. Alusina Nwe, the supreme leader of this kingdom. I fear no evil. Why are you running away? I thought you said you are the queen of the jungle. Come and fight. Nonsense. That one.
Don't go. She's waiting for you. The ring will not protect you again. She neutralized it before she went. Yes, my king. Yes. Yes, my king.
Who are you?
I am Ujunwa, one of the palace maids.
Stay away from my path, else I will kill you. And even your parents will not see your corpse. Have I made myself clear?
Yes, my queen.
Get out.
Okrikita na buko sa sinadila aliyeni. Ubedi lo jine lo aka no tutu wanne. Onye jife woto wele na ta ko bi ko ko dia. Obala ba ya be una ko ta bona tutu aliyeni na. Okrikita na buko sa dina aliyeni. Bo samule uke una ejiche. Mwe na je we gwara tia. Okrikita na ekilo bele jine bele yo. Obala ba ya be una ko ta bona tutu aliyeni na. Pasa ya flu ya kilo na dela. ulele.
Ule ule, ule ulele.
Ule ule, alozara ule ulele.
Ule ulewe, ule ulewe.
Upriki kana buko sadura rienu. Ubosangule uke wune jije. Why you not there we go na tia. Nklik kana kilo gode jilo gode liuzu. Nklik aja dile wude le promona de wudike. Asna beza ga mwe konketse. Upeshi reji ne lula kana otutu bo nwanne. Kale gwa ani be gwo onwe ya. Akala ba ya be muna ko ga wona bakuku ale ko na zo.
What is going on? How is it even possible that a Rimba brought in dead people to fight her own sister? Honestly, this sounds like a joke.
There is no road.
What do you mean by there is no road?
Everywhere is blocked.
I'll be right back. So you brought your co-goddess to fight me. By the time I am done with you, when you hear my name, you will run away. Very well then. The battle line has been drawn. Let's see who wins. Why are you running? Erima, why are you running? Show yourself! You want to fight me? Show yourself, Erima! Why are you running? Erima, show yourself! Why are you running away? I thought you were stronger! I thought you want to fight me! Show yourself!
What and what did you observe? Everywhere, including the least door that leads to the palace, is being chained. There is no road. There must be a way out.
Did you observe anything? Everywhere is locked. But like she said, there must be a way out.
So she went and brought her colleagues to fight us.
There's no way for them to enter in.
You said that girl was your blood sister.
Yes, she was my twin sister.
She's mean. She's so deadly. She's working very hard and serious to kill you.
Then, let's try them. We will, but let's observe them first.
go inside. Nobody should come outside.
Okay, my queen.
Erima! Show yourself! Okwakeke kana buko sadra rienu. Obosa mu uke hure chiche. Nwanye na je we gwa na tia. Nkiri kana kilogere neza. Opasta anya furu ya kunu na ja. Obraba ya be wuna nkoka bona wa kungu arika. So, kwasi na eji nwata wele ya na karobi ro hotu ya. Erima!
What is the meaning of this?
My king, do not be afraid. They are not here to harm you. These are my friends.
Like she said, we are not here for you. If you cooperate with us, you will be fine.
Leave. Now, leave.
What is it?
Nothing.
Are you okay?
I'm fine.
You're not fine.
No! What are you trying to do? Stop! I said I'm fine. I'm fine.
Alright.
What happened to him?
I don't know, but something is wrong with him.
Your wife and her friend is coming back. Go there and stop them.
He is not. They are inside.
I suspected it, but I wanted to be sure before saying it.
So what are we going to do now? Is the king aware?
He's aware.
What? My husband is aware? Could it be that he wants to betray me?
No. They are forcing him to do what he's doing. They asked him not to let you people in, and he did it.
The battle is about to begin. We need to go now.
Iwolocha, can we take the king out before we will fight them? She has a point. We need to bring the king out before they harm him.
Yes. We need to go and bring him out.
Mo, they will hurt you. Come, Michael. This will prevent you from being harmed.
Can't you go with me?
No. You will make them to understand that you purposely want to sneak him out from the room. So go. You are protected.
My mother. She's regretting bringing us into the world.
Because of you and your late sister?
Yes. My mother is heavily troubled.
It's fine. She'll be okay. Everything is happening because of the situation. But I believe once Erima leaves, she'll forget about all her sorrows. It's okay. Let me go and finish what I was doing.
So it's you. Yes, it's me. And it's time for you to die. And I will kill you the second time.
In fact, he does many things, depending on what you have in mind. And I will be the best person to use it, especially that one always hide herself.
When an elephant claims to be the king of the jungle, other animals celebrate his funeral. Irina, please, I beg you. Please don't kill me. Please, I beg you, don't kill me. Please don't kill me. Ideima, safe trip to the land of the dead. Please don't kill me.
I am your nightmare.
problem with you is you talk too much.
So what are we going to do now?
Bring down your voice. I told you anything.
What's happened here?
No, please get out of hand in this palace. I'm leaving.
Every time.
I just saw the king at the gate. It looks like someone that wants to run.
King, what?
I'm serious. I know
No,
myself.
he can't.
No, where are you going to? No,
Where will he even run to? As far as I'm concerned, this community has no hiding place.
I want to officially announce to you people that I'm leaving the palace the way Ojunwa left. If you look for me, you don't find me.
I'm going nowhere.
Where are you? I don't look for me.
I'm going nowhere. I will see to the end of it.
So what are we going to do now?
Okiriki kana huko kadira yenu. Kwa sababu mke jije. Mwenye azewe bwana tuya. Onye siko bulo mengini. Klika ne kilogere egu.
My king, if you had crossed the gate, you wouldn't have returned, and that means death.
Thank you, my daughter. Thank you very, very much. May the gods bless you.
Bless you too, my king. But we should not relate. I'm quite sure that they will come back again.
Yes, we need to be guided.
What are we supposed to do to eradicate them completely from this kingdom?
Amanato River is the only thing that can chase them away completely from this community.
Then I'm giving you the authority. Go and fetch from Amanato River. Let's end this madness.
Amanato River can be fetched on a K market day. But of course, you know the consequences.
I am aware that to fetch water from Amanato River demands human sacrifice. That I will provide.
On a K day, I will go and fetch from the river. Yeah, here!
Huh?
My king, make sure you go. Hold me, my king.
Let him go! He belongs to me.
You lie! It belongs to me and me alone! Show your face! Fight me woman to woman!
I will kill you and bury you in the earth. Don't attempt my destruction.
Let the war begins and let's see who wins.
The strange and fearful mother of Amanatosala. I know it takes a bull to visit the Amanato River ordinary days. Blood flows in Amanatosala like a river. Rise and save your people. Rise and save your people. Rise and save the people of Amanatosala.
Odinga, it is time for you to travel to the land beyond. The journey is a far one, so let's proceed. You!
Your doom is now. For the innocent blood of Amanatu Ozala Kingdom has caught up with you today.
I have noticed you in this palace. But my only failure is not killing you. And today, the gods have chosen to welcome you into the land of the dead.
Let him go! For he does not belong to you.
Who is this little rat?
Let him go! Or I destroy you the second time.
A butterfly that thinks himself a bird. I will deal with you! Yeah!
Queen Mother! The great mother of Amanatu Ozala! The river that flows backwards! Strike for my sake! And save the king and the people of Amanatu Ozala!
So this girl is spiritual all this while.
Come, where are you going to? Are you okay? She's going. In case if she needs help. Do you want to die?
Are you
what if something happens to her? Can you imagine? Where do you think you're going? You want to die? She might need our help. She not need any. That case will be later. That's not going. So she's really scared.
No, this can't be Ujuma.
This can't be Ujuma.
She's manipulating.
No, it's not Uju. Are you okay?
Where do you think you're going?
That's not Uju. Okay. It's Uju.
What is going on here?
Welcome back to the world, my king. Igwe.
Before the arrival of the elders of Amanatosa, I want to thank the great priestess of Amanatosa and her people for standing and fighting for my life. I want to also thank Ujunwa for all you did to make sure that victory was accomplished.
You will live long with me. My king, you are hereby free from the bondage of Erima and her friends. The goddess, you are hereby stripped off your queen attire, for the king lustfully fell for you through the manipulation of Erima. You are forgiven, for the both of you were under spell. Henceforth, Amanatozala will know peace. And the annual sacrifice of the goddess of Amanato Kingdom will become animal sacrifice, not human beings anymore. For I have paid the price for Amanato Kingdom and for my king to live. So shall it be from now henceforth.
Ojo! Hey, Ojo! Ojo! She's not breathing again. Ojo!
Spirit of the revenge, I proud to revenge. I so much hate in her eyes. The only thing it wants is to revenge. I giddy gadaga, oboduna bayara yara. Who offended the spirit of revenge? Hey, oh. yeah.